doing things. There's so many struggles we all face. So when we get an award, it's like a validation, it's like a confirmation that there were a lot of things that we did which went right, and that really feels good and it encourages us to do even better things in the near future.
और मैं नहीं कह सकता हूँ कि बहुत ही सम्मानित प्रोग्राम है, इसमें लोगों को जुड़ना चाहिए और एक अच्छा मोटिवेशन है कि हम देश और विदेश को बढ़ाने वाले जो आज इस वक्त ज़रूरत है हमारे देश की। भारत आने वाले समय में वर्ल्ड लार्जेस्ट इकनॉमी बनेगा। उस इकनॉमी को ध्यान में रखते हुए इस तरीके के फंक्शन होते रहने चाहिए ताकि बाहर के लोग हमारे देश में अपना इन्वेस्टमेंट कर सकें और हमसे संपर्क करें।
If today's event, what we have done for our celebrities, the newfound celebrities from different walks of the life, some of them were never famous, but they wanted some opening, some platform to present their qualities to the world. If our event inspires other people to search for the silent excellence and encourage them to achieve something, Kavya, the lady who was visitor #1, she lost both the hands, but she fought with the world, she fought with the realities of the life, and she came up. So our event should inspire the coming generations to go ahead in the life, to conquer the world, to climb the peaks of the successes. That is what I feel. It was really privileged to have people from dignitaries, the diplomats from 10-11 countries. It's very difficult for even other chamber also. With great pride I am saying, our chamber has a platform for people from different countries. Diplomats do not hesitate coming here and expressing themselves and mingling with our chamber members and the invitees. Yeah.
Everybody all over the world, every country, every nation, every tribe requires inspiration. And my friend here is an inspiration.
Our chamber has got specialized chairmen and chairpersons who are there to teach them skill development. We have got special committees assigned for various sectors. We have assigned people for aviation, shipping, road transport. We are assigned officers from literally all walks of the life. Now, developing country like Hindustan, our country India, we need development in infrastructure. All African countries need development in infrastructure. We can develop our own infrastructure, at the same time we can be the key for development of the infrastructure in poor countries and less developed countries. So our chamber is providing self-progress, at the same time we are taking other countries from Africa, less developed countries than India, and we are assisting them for skill development in their respective countries.
ट्रांस एशिया है 20 साल से आज 20वां साल मनाया गया। हर साल इसका अवार्ड नाइट होता है। आज मुझे ट्रांस एशिया का चेयरमैन इंटरनेशनल अफेयर, प्रेसिडेंट इंटरनेशनल बनाया गया है। हर 4 साल बाद अपग्रेड करते हैं, पोस्ट क्रिएट की जाती है और जो डिजर्विंग जो लोग हैं जिन्होंने समाज के लिए कुछ किया है उनको अवार्ड दिया जाता है डिफरेंट कैटेगरी में। जैसे जर्नलिज्म में, जैसे बॉलीवुड के अर्चना कोचर की आई है, हर सेगमेंट के लोगों को कई एमपीज भी आते हैं, कई नए सेगमेंट्स भी क्रिएट करते हैं। कोई बड़ा सेलिब्रिटी कोई अवार्ड ये हमारे चैम्बर में नहीं है, जो डिजर्व करते हैं, इसलिए कोई यूनिक काम किया, कोई अच्छा काम किया, उसको बुला के ये सम्मानित किया। सर के बारे में ये कि आज इन्होंने इस चैम्बर को कहाँ से कहाँ आके खड़ा किया है, इनकी बहुत बड़ी ग्रेटनेस है। और वन मैन शो है, ये हमारे चैम्बर के लिए एक मिसाल है कि किस तरीके से बंदा डेडिकेटली काम करता है और हर बंदा इंस्पायर होता है। आज हमारे प्रोग्राम में भी 200-250 लोग थे, मैक्सिमम सारे के सारे सेलिब्रिटी, ऑडियंस का सेलिब्रिटी ज़्यादा था, 11 से 12 कौंसिल जनरल आए थे और हर बंदा कुछ ना कुछ था और अंदर पैर रखने की जगह थी।
place to felicitate them for their achievements.
ओके, आज आपको मैच इनॉग्रेशन करने के लिए भी बुलाया गया था चैम्बर के, क्या कहना चाहिए?
It's my privilege and I'm honored to be here.
मैम, जैसे यहाँ पे लोगों को भी अवार्ड से नवाजा गया और आप भी अपने अवार्ड शो से लोगों को नवाजते हैं, जिला को क्या कहना चाहिए?
तो ये प्रोग्राम ही फाउंडेशन किया था और काफ़ी कुछ यहाँ पर इसलिए मैं यहाँ आगे हमारा भी शो रिसेंटली Thank you. I feel very happy and very honored to be here. It's a very great and nice event, and I wish all of them very best for their best awards in the hand.
बहुत ही खूबसूरत नया ड्रेस, सभी आप क्या कहना चाहिए? कितने समय लगा दिया?
Thank you so much. Well, I have Miss Glamour Face World Interpreter to Glamour to रहना पड़ेगा. So I'm very glad to be here and feel happy.
ओके, कितना टाइम लगा? कुछ टिप देना चाहिए सबको?
I really wish that everybody should be like Glamour look. But Archana ji is always like, she's so beautiful. I really feel very inspired to appreciate the women empowerment. Like, I feel very, very happy to see her and feel very proud of her. She's a very successful and looking at her and the other people have done a very good achievement in their life as a women. So I feel very happy that you should come to the life.
ये जो चेंबर है हर बिजनेस को प्रमोट करता है और एज पर एजुकेशन इज़ कंसर्न, मैं ट्रांजिशन चेंबर के एजुकेशन कमेटी की चेयरपर्सन हूँ। तो एजुकेशन में कोई भी चेंबर ऐसे कुछ काम करते हुए हमें नहीं दिखा है। तो ये जो चेंबर है इंडस्ट्रीज़ को स्टूडेंट्स के पास लेके जा रहा है। तो ये जो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स में जो हमारी एडमिशन कम हो रही है, बट कि मेक इन इंडिया कॉन्सेप्ट है, बट मेक इन इंडिया कॉन्सेप्ट के लिए मैन्युफैक्चरिंग के लिए इंजीनियर्स चाहिए, वो भी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स इंजीनियर्स चाहिए। और इलेक्ट्रॉनिक इंजीनियर्स की संख्या कम हो रही है बिकॉज ऑफ दे आर नॉट स्किल डेवलप्ड। So their skill development is required in the chamber is promoting to the students and the skill your development of each kind of skill which is required for engineering. This chamber is promoting, and that is very successful event we are conducting, and I congratulate the chamber for doing such kind of things in education field also.
मुझे यहाँ पे आकर, क्योंकि नॉर्मली हम लोग अपने अवार्ड फंक्शंस में जाते हैं, जो फिल्मी अवार्ड फंक्शंस होते हैं, टीवी के अवार्ड फंक्शंस, तो यहाँ पे अलग अलग फील्ड से लोग जिन्होंने बहुत अचीव किया है और बहुत डिफ़िकल्टी से, जो भी चैलेंजेस से गुज़र कर उन्होंने कुछ अचीव किया है और वो अभी भी कर रहे हैं और उस मुकाम तक पहुँच रहे हैं जहाँ उन्होंने अपने सपने देखे हैं और हमारी सोसाइटी को कंट्रीब्यूट कर रहे हैं। इनफैक्ट आई एम सो अमेज्ड टू सी देयर करेज, देयर कंट्रीब्यूशन इज़ अमेजिंग। एक्चुअली मैं तो कहूँगी ये लोग एक्चुअल हीरो हीरोइन है हमारी सोसाइटी के, क्योंकि ये इतना कंट्रीब्यूट कर रहे हैं हमारी सोसाइटी में कि हमको बहुत लोगों को ये क्या काम करें वो पता भी नहीं है। तो ये बहुत अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म दिया है संजय जी ने कि वैसे लोगों को पिक किया है सोसाइटी के डिफरेंट फील्ड से और उन्हें सम्मानित किया है, उन्हें पुरस्कृत किया है। तो ये बहुत बड़ी चीज़ है और मुझे अवार्ड दिया तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा कि इन लोगों के बीच में एक मुझे भी उन्होंने चुना कि मुझे ऑनर किया अवार्ड देकर। सो आई एम रियली वेरी हैप्पी। I would say that in fact I'm really humbled कि मुझे इन लोगों के साथ के बीच में मुझे भी पुरस्कृत किया गया है। So I'm really honored today and it is a very happy moment and in fact मैं तो बिल्कुल mesmerize हो गई सबकी स्टोरीज सुन के कि लोगों ने जो अपनी अपनी स्टोरीज बताई, कैसे कैसे चैलेंजेस उन्होंने देखे हैं ज़िंदगी में। तो एक्चुअली बहुत ही इंस्पिरेशन मिला है मुझे, बहुत ही मोटिवेशन मिला है मुझे यहाँ पे आकर।
I would like to recognize the contribution of Government of Maharashtra for choosing me as the youngest ever Vice Chancellor of Mumbai University and giving me an opportunity to serve my alma mater, and also over 8 lakh students for over 28 months, in which whatever I was able to do was in the best of not only my abilities, but in the best of the traditions that our country boasts of. And therefore, the representative of the state government, Honorable Shri Sumit Malik ji, who has served the highest chair,
Transition Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Unlike many bilateral chambers, our Indo-Mongolian chamber was inaugurated in the hands of His Excellency Khunsal Magid Oshirbad, then the President of Mongolia. Later on, some other bilateral chambers also had the same privilege, but I think in Mumbai's history, our chamber, Indo-Mongolian chamber, had the privilege of being inaugurated in the hands of the President of the country. Chambers started expanding. That time we decided to take a delegation, goodwill mission to Egypt, then Israel, as well as Palestine, and UAE. UAE, of course, was the last dish people went for the shopping, etc. It was a kind of sweet dish after the full meal, having enjoyed the stay in Egypt as well as Palestine. I had the privilege of shaking hands with Mr. Faisal Husseini, who was the right-hand man of Yasser Arafat. The struggle for freedom initially is known as mutiny, and later on, if they succeed, then it becomes a struggle for freedom. Till then, it remains mutiny. But fortunately, in the lifetime of Yasser Arafat, Dr. Patankar, please come on the dais. Your chair is here. Dr. Patankar is the president of our Indian chapter right now. He is a well-known medical doctor. You'll have to fit in there. Yeah. Excuse me, with your permission. She's coming from all the way from Dhule, so I have to attend her. Anita. हम ये पहला मर्ज हो रहे से पहला मर्ज हो रहे ये डायरेक्ट उसका भाषण दे तो आया ओके वरी पहला मर्ज sorry. As I said earlier, because of my connections, people want to talk to me and I can't avoid, so you'll have to excuse me for that. If I get disturbed maybe for 1 or 2 times because people are on the way and they're having problem with, like Dr. Sanjay Deshmukh had problem with the parking. We used to have a valet and he had to park the car himself, etc., etc. Who is it? The light is, I'm not able to see. Anyway. So our visit to Palestine, Egypt, Israel was really a great success. We met many people and we created a kind of goodwill about our chamber on the non-Indian soil. Then I was invited as a guest speaker on behalf of Transition Chamber. I went to Hong Kong, I went to Norway, I went to England also, various other countries. And it has kind of become, I have become kind of fanatic about the concept of Transition Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Whenever I meet new person, I always will start talking about Transition Chamber. People might be getting even bored, but I don't get bored, so I really go on talking the same thing again and again. Because I always ask people ask me, why the name Transition Chamber? I said, what is the biggest continent in the world? Asia. Maximum landmass, Asia. Maximum population, Asia. Maximum number of political countries, Asia. Maximum problems, Asia. And because of maximum problems in Asia, maximum opportunities also. It gives tremendous opportunities for Asians particularly. So that is how we started the name of Transition Chamber. So Asia became one unit automatically. And as a Transition Chamber of Commerce, we deal with North America, we deal with South America, we deal with Europe, we deal with East, Australia, New Zealand, and that people there also. Our chamber has got an office in New Zealand. One of our secretaries stays in Auckland and he is operating from there for our chamber. Anyway. So somehow the transition chamber name I could convince people with. Then initially they started suspecting what exactly interest I have got. I said, see, Chindia is the new economic term of the world. China and India. The huge population mass offers the biggest market in the world. So everybody is interested in coming here and doing business with China and India, and they would like to sell their products in this particular huge landmass. The previous concept was to search the markets only in Europe or only in America. That markets have been now saturated. So there has to be a big opening, which we offered on the platter with the name Transition Chamber. So Transition Chamber, Mr. Demeke, please come, your chair is here in front. The Consul of Ethiopia has come. I think Mr. Tang is also on the way. Mr. Wang is already here. Two of the Chinese consulate people are already here. So we'll wait for Mr. Tang to come. He'll be missing some of my boring talk, but anyway. Then we started inviting people. Many countries started sending their delegations using our platform. So our chamber has signed 18 MOUs in 13 countries so far. In the span of 20 years, 18 MOUs with other countries, the chamber is not a bad score in my opinion. Ajit Mangrulkar, my friend, is sitting here. His Indian Merchant Chamber is more than 100 years now. Or the chamber where I am a member, Mumbai Chamber of Commerce, it was started in 1836. These are really founder chambers of giving platforms for doing international trade, local trade, national trade, etc. But I'm not comparing our chamber. We are still phaselings. But at the same time, in 20 years, signing 18 MOUs in 13 countries may not be a very bad score. Then we started taking delegations. We took delegations to Mongolia, South Korea, China. Then, as I said earlier, Goodwill Mission to Egypt, Israel, Palestine, UAE. Personally, I was invited as a guest speaker in various countries, so I went there. Some of our chamber members, they formed a small delegations. They went out, taking the chamber banner in other countries. And now, 20 years, in a way, it is a young age. For ladies, of course, the ladies never grow beyond 16 years, but for the chamber, 20 years, a young age is not bad. People now, previously we had to do marketing to convince people, come on, join the chamber. Now on our website or through mouth publicity, people contact me, they ask me what are their chamber activities, they volunteer themselves and they join our chamber. That is generally, oh, Mr. Tang is here, welcome. Please. As I said, my quorum is full. Everybody is here. No, Mr. Ade Sukender, the Consul of Indonesia, is supposed to come. He also must be on the way. Yeah, please. Please be seated. I missed the point. Yeah, 20 years. So 20 years, we are young, we are approaching people. People are approaching us. Our chamber is doing a little different facility for our members. Many new members, they need some information about the prospective partner in other countries. Because we have signed our MOUs, 18 MOUs, those MOUs are helping us a lot in getting the confidential information about the importer or business person from that particular country. So about more than 20-25 people, they have used our chamber's information, what we do, we get and we hand them over. 3 years back, one of our chamber member, Mr. Prashant Wag, might be here in the crowd or maybe on the way. He was invited by some Afghan people from Mazar-e-Sharif. And there was a contract of solid waste management. I'm always having Mr. Naseem very close relations. Afghanistan consulate really means right from the starting of the construction of this consulate, I'm involved there. Mr. Asif must be knowing. Asif used to literally sit in a kind of hutment with only one phone. This man has really toiled for Afghanistan consulate like anything, and we used to sit there and we used to have a chat there. And when he told me the happy news that Afghanistan consulate decided to construct a new office building here and have again very close relations with India, I was very happy. So Asif and myself, we are friends since then, and my association with the Afghan consulate since then. That time the first consul general, as I told you in the morning, Mr. Gul Hussain Ahmadi, is like my elder brother. We are still in touch. Now I think he's posted in somewhere in Europe. But we are still in touch, we exchange, we always ask what the chamber is doing, how the things are going. Another friendly country, I had taken a delegation to Ethiopia. Again, Genet Teshome, the first formal consul of Ethiopia in Mumbai. I'm keeping in touch with him. Now again he's posted somewhere in Europe. I'm in touch with him. Even Mr. Shao, your predecessor, is also a good friend of mine. I got a good habit or bad habit of calling young generation as my sons. So predecessor of Abdul Nafi Sarwari, his predecessor, I used to call him son. And both of them are of the same age. So I also started calling Abdul Nafi as my son. And this kind of intimacy, in my opinion, brings the people together. When we decided to expand at the Tanzania Chamber, I created a kind of byline, business through friendship. You become a friend of opposite person. Friendship creates confidence, it creates trust also, and that trust ultimately can end up into business. If you are clear, if the friendship, if you are clear with each other, there will be some problem in your product. The opposite person will give you leeway. Okay, these are the problems. Just mend it properly and send it again, or whatever. But despite of friendship, if you are having some kind of suspicion towards each other, then there are clause A, B, clause C of B of D. You can take a small line and create a problem, and you can enter into long-term dispute. So that is why friendship is most important base for any kind of even international businesses. This is my personal opinion. You might be sharing my views. So this was a 20 years journey going on till today. Here, all of you are here. I'm finding some words are not coming out because I have become a little emotional. Because yes, what I have done so far, I'm seeing some fruit. People are here with me, for me. Thank you very much. Now I will request J.K. Chaturvedi to felicitate our chief guest, Sumit Malik. Sumit Malik, again, is a hard currency. It can be encashed anywhere, any department. You give him a role of a chief of the protocol, he is very popular. He was transferred to some other department. The diplomatic corps passed the resolution and said, we want Sumit Malik only as the chief of the protocol. Then he became additional chief secretary. Still, though he was not holding the protocol office, again diplomats used to invite him for the national days. And now he is formally retired as an IAS officer from government of Maharashtra. But still, government is not willing to leave him, allow him to go away from its machinery. They appointed him as the information commissioner. So warm welcome, Sumit. I will request Harjeet Anand, incoming president for International Relations and Cultural Exchange. He will felicitate Mr. Go Chai Tang, the Consul General of Chunguo. Chunguo is the actual name of the country. I rarely call China, I prefer to call it Chunguo. I have the privilege of visiting the country with the great heritage, like our Indus Valley civilization, or like our own ancient civilization, China, Misra, Egypt. In South America, I could not invite Mr. Alejandro Zotnar Meyer. He's the consul of Argentina. He's back in Argentina right now because his president was here in our city last week only. Otherwise, apart from South America, all the people from different countries on the continent are here with us. Now I'll request Dr. Patenkar to felicitate Mr. Damian Ilcik, the Consul of Poland. I request Niti Chaturvedi to formally welcome Utmar Halige, Consul of Switzerland. So, doing all the rituals, he's here, he's attending. Pradeep, you can please come forward. I'll request Dr. Patenkar. Both of them are well-known doctors. Dr. Patenkar to give the nomination later to Dr. Pradeep Mahajan. Even Dr. Pradeep Mahajan is also elevated as a Vice President for Medical Tourism. Dr. Pradeep Mahajan is one of the rare species because he is a stem cell scientist. And Lutfur Rahman, the Deputy High Commissioner of Bangladesh, will agree with what I am going to say now. One fast bowler from Bangladesh, 6 feet tall, handsome. All of a sudden he started losing his vision and strength to walk. He was in very bad shape. See, Pakistanis may bring the patients to India, but Bangladeshis generally prefer either Thailand or Singapore. So his wife took him basically to Bangkok, no remedy. Then she took him to Singapore, no remedy. In Singapore, somebody has told her that take your husband to Bangalore. There you might be finding some remedy in Bangalore. She came to, along with the husband, to Bangalore, no remedy. She was really distressed. Of course, the gentleman was also distressed. And somebody told Dr. Pradeep Mahajan's name as a fluke chance. Anyway, she was taking her husband here and there, everywhere. So she said, why not take one more chance? So, without much hope, she came in Mumbai. She came in Mumbai and she said, anyway, the last chance, let's see what is to be done. And Dr. Pradeep Mahajan asked her, can you stay in Mumbai for 2 months consecutively? She said, yes. Will you afford? Because it could be a little expensive treatment. So will you afford? She said, yes, I'll see that money is raised. I will come. So she brought the husband here. She did all the arrangements. And exactly after 45 days, this gentleman started walking. Even his vision improved. He started reading big letters. By now, I think he's able to read and write. When I told the story to Mr. Lutfur Rahman, the Deputy High Commissioner, he said, of course, he's a, Tanjeeb, the fast bowler's name. Fast bowler, what was his name? Tanjeeb. And he said, I asked him, Lutfur, would you like to see him? He's here in Mumbai. Here you are a fast bowler, very big man, etc. He said, and when we went there, we went and saw in the conference room of the hospital, this lady and her husband came, Mr. Tanjeeb and his wife, they came to see us. Tanjeeb was walking without any crutches, without any help himself. It was really a miracle. And when the lady came inside, with tears in her eyes, she said, Dr. Pradeep Mahajan is... For the last 15 years, we are giving our prestigious award known as the Pillars of Hindustani society. When I call this country as Hindustan, people brand me as a saffron man, as a Hindu terrorist. The name Hindustan to this particular country is not given by us ourselves. It is given to us by Persians. Mr. Khusru must be knowing about it. Sindhu and Hindu. Hindu becomes Hindu. So Sindhu and Hindu, it was synonymous names. From Sindhu, it became Hindu. Sthan is land in Sanskrit. Sthan is a word which has migrated to Persian language also, Arabic also. So Sthan, the land beyond Sindhu river, is Hindustan. So that is how this particular name is being given to our country. Thanks to Mr. Khusru, his country has given this name to our country. So it is totally non-religious. Is Sharat Kumar coming? Sharat Kumar Saraf. So can you accept his membership certificate? Ajit, I was calling for you.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
He is actually
Sharat Kumar Saraf membership certificate. I request Ajit Anand to give Sharat Kumar certificate to Mr. Ajit Gupte. Ajit Gupte is a former vice president of our transition chamber. You are comfortable there? Yeah. Yeah, you can come here. Yeah. There is a chair here. Please come. Sunday is there? Oh. Vishurut is in charge of our administration, of Chambers administration. His mother. This I would like to share. Sandhya and myself, we are friends since 1958. First standard to 11th standard, we are studied together. So Shushrut is like my son. He is standing there at the back. Anand, Shushrut, Dr. Vaishali, these are the people who actually are working me in running the chamber. And one Mr. Dabholkar is also there, he is behind. I think his tooth has gone to the laundry, so he has come in Indian national dress. Come forward, let your people see you.
For the transition chambers forthcoming 5-year committee which we will be having, I would like to invite...
Age in media is very small, just a starting, much more to do. But really it's a great honor to be stand here in front of such a big personalities. I heard about Eva ma'am. So, and also I mentioned that it's a great opportunity, it's a great happiness to accept to take this award in front of to my gurus. My mom is there and my mentor, my sir also is here. So it's a great honor. Thank you so much for this. And God bless you.